What's up, guys? It's your boy Bacchus here. You don't know. I'm here with another video, guys. Today, kinda happy, you know what I mean? Kinda happy. Reason for that is I got a next shell. Remember I crashed the car, right? I crashed this one. Got in an accident with this one. So, behind this camera right now is the new shell. Well, not new, but the other shell. The grey shell. Check. So, what we are gonna do? New project. I'm gonna take what in that and put in this. For show you. Wait. One moment. Alright, so that car, the grey shell not have nothing inside, you know what I mean? Nothing. Check here. Nothing. The man then just bring it. Nothing inside, no engine, nothing. So, I'm gonna take the engine from the orange car now. Hold up there. Go. Right, so I want to. Alright then. So guys, you're gonna take everything from inside here. Everything from in there. Everything. And we're gonna put them in here. Show you inside of the car as well. The gear shifter, nothing inside there, so don't know, you have to do some work. You have to do some work inside here just. It kinda look like a mess anyways, but yeah. See? No gear shifter. Just the handbrake here. Nothing else. Everything just, yeah. Might have a change of seat as well. But yeah. New project. Just have to do the do. It's a while going. So get the new shell. Well, like me say, partially new. But it is what it is. We are gonna make it work. And we're gonna do what we have to do. So yeah, I have nothing else to do during my spare time. I'll be working on this car with help from my brothers, of course, you know. So yeah, guys, I'm gonna fix about the orange car now. It just smash up bad. Well, I gotta fix back that rim, yeah. Let me show you. I gotta fix back that rim, yeah. Put them up on that one there. Mash up the car so bad that the door can barely even open. As much as the door can open right now. See, I start to do like something, but I have to do a lot more. I have to get the tools and thing. Inside they look like a mess. Wreck. But you know, like I say, it is what it is. We will get the things them sort out and just do the do. I mean, if you take out the harness and the, you know, with the mechanics them out there, you know how it go. Yeah, so just have to do what we have to do and sort out what we have to sort out. Yeah, guys. Oh, look like we're missing a light, but not awesome. Anyways, that is that. So guys, a video probably small, but you know, you gotta do what we have to do. Change that to that, and yeah. So I'm back on the road again with my vehicle. Yeah, man. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think about this video. Amen. Yep.